What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. Today we have some accessories that were sent over by Best EV Mods for the Cybertruck. So without further ado, let's take a look at some of these accessories they sent over. All right, so first off, we have the mat. Now, it is always recommended to lay these out in the sun 24 hours before installation. But here where I live currently, there is no sun. So you can take a heat gun if you want to, but be very careful. I don't have no problem just laying it down here. And when it is sunny, I am going to take it out, lay it on there so it can flatten out. But this is going to flatten out just fine. It's a very nice premium bed floor mat for the Cybertruck. And it does give you access to kind of pop this open and be good with it. As you can see, it borders all the way around, which is absolutely fantastic. And it does not have a lip right here, but it does have lips all the way around. It doesn't have any cutouts for hooks, but you can cut those out if you want. Take a razor blade and just cut it out, and then it'll give you access to those bed mounts if you have them. But moving on from that, we also got the liners here for the doors for the front and rear, which is absolutely fantastic. These are going to protect your door jams for if your kids are putting their water flask or anything in there. It's going to protect the door very good, easy to clean, make cleanup very simple. And last but not least, we got the bumper guards here. Very nice premium TPU. Now this right here, I do suggest you leave out for a couple days. They do come folded, and it's going to take a while for them to take shape. I took a heat gun to them, so hopefully they flatten out, but I'm going to try to install them. But if they do not install correctly, you also get this extra adhesive tape just in case they don't adhere correctly, or you put them on when they're like this. Like I said, you want to lay them out in the sun a couple days before installation so they can get nice and warm and soft, making installation a lot better. So the one that goes in the rear is the long one. Now Best EV Mod did not label these, so they're not too hard to figure out. So this one just goes in like that. It's just keep in mind these two little dots here go here, and then this just goes in, inserted like so, and it's nice, very perfect fitment. Let's check it out. As you can see, nice perfect fitment. There's nothing intruding or anything. This will just kind of contour later on when it heats up, but you can put stuff in there, making it easy to clean. So let's move on to the front driver's side door, and we'll do the rest and then move on from there. Now the one for the front door is going to be the shorter one, and this one, let me show you how easy this bad boy is. You just go ahead and bam, it goes in like that. Very nice, contours very nice to the door, protects it. Now you can put a water bottle here, and it's going to protect this from getting scratched. I wish it would have gone a little bit higher here in order to protect this, but it's going to rest on this and not the plastic, and it's going to mitigate any sound or anything like that because this is nice rubbery material. So there you have it. That is the front and the rear door liners for your Cybertruck. Now let's move on to the bumper guards. Okay, so before you install the bumper protectors, make sure your surface is nice and clean. And then if you have some alcohol wipes, just rub the alcohol wipes, wipe it down with the alcohol wipes so you can help the adhesive, the stickers behind the TPU material adhere better. But without further ado, let's go ahead and try these on. I think the hardest part of installing those bumper protectors is peeling all these stickers. Look at this. Very tedious, but very easy too. Honestly, I'm very impressed on how these came out. They look very good. Like I said, give it some time to adhere to the bumper. If you see the protecting kind of lifting from the bumper, just put it in the sun, let it heat up and let it mold better, and just kind of give it a good rub. If you need more adhesive, remember they provide more adhesive strips for you to go ahead and make sure they're nice and secure to the bumper. But overall, they're very nice quality. They look very good. They look OEM. That's something that I absolutely love, the look of OEM, and these came through. Again, thanks Best EV Mods for sponsoring this video. I'll leave links to all these accessories in the description of the video. If you have any questions regarding any of these accessories, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification so you know when more Cybertruck videos like this drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!